Now I'm going to drag this video in the timeline, and now I'm going to trim the starting point of this video. So I'm going to just trim this to this position, and now let's play this right here. Now guys, we have to zoom in the video, so I'm going to zoom out, and using this transform control I'm going to scale it up my video where we have the subject at the right corner. So I'm going to place this right here. Now we are good. Now let's review the footage, and now we have to trim the end part where the subject left the frame. So I'm going to trim this video to this point. Now guys, let's right click and duplicate this video, and now let's place this video right here. Now guys, I'm going to select this clip and we are going to hide this clip. So click on this hide clip, and now we have to select this above clip. Now we have to zoom in the timeline, so zoom to 100%, and now let's zoom out. Now we're good. Now we have to go to the green screen and we have to remove the background. So I'm just adding a random point to its body, and then we will remove the background. Now we have this mask, so let's review the mask first. So as you can see, we missed his hand, so we have to add some points to its hand, and now I think we are done. Now let's review the end, add a point, and now we are good. Let's add a point right here. Now let's click on done masking, and now here we have the subject. Now we can right click and we can show the below clip, and now we can select the below clip and we can go to the animate, and if you scroll down we have a crop properties. We can add a keyframe to the crop properties, and now let's go to this frame and let's open the crop properties, and now we can crop the right part of the video. So let's crop to this position, and now let's go to the next frame, and now let's crop this. So I'm just cropping the background of this subject. So later we have to adjust some points, but right now I'm just roughly cropping the background of this subject. So now let's crop this. Now let's place this right here, and now let's crop to 100%. Now I think we are good. Now we are going to select all these keyframes, so press shift and we can select all these keyframe, and then we can change its graph. So I'm going to change this to quad, and now if we review the clip, so as you can see we have to adjust some crop points. Now guys, select this keyframe, and now I'm going to push this to the starting point. So let's push this from the starting point, and now we have to manually adjust some keyframe points. So right here I think we have to push this to this side, and now right here I am just manually adjusting my crop points. So we have this smooth crop, so I am going to crop right here, and now I'm going to crop this to behind the subject. Now I'm using my keyboard right arrow key to review the footage, so we can adjust some points. So I think we are good. Now we have to back to the timeline, and now guys, here is the final result. Now we can go to the asset and we can drag a video behind this video. So I'm going to just drag this horse video, and now let's place this video below all the tracks, and now we can split this video to this point. Let's backspace to delete this part, and now if we play this video guys, as you can see, now we have this amazing masking transition. Now we can select the subject and we can feather out the mask, so we will have a smooth result. And now if I review my footage, as you can see, now we have a smooth result. This is how we can create masking transition in RunwayML.com.